The key fob for 2016-2019 Chevy Cruze models uses a CR2032 battery. To replace it, first locate the small slot on the fob and gently pry it open with a flathead screwdriver or plastic tool. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Clean any corrosion with a soft cloth. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the fob back together. Test by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If the fob doesn't work, reprogramming may be needed. Turn ignition to on, press lock button for 10 seconds. Repeat for other buttons. Now let's cover some important tips for key fob battery replacement, troubleshooting steps, and future trends in automotive key technology. For best results, always use a fresh CR2032 battery with quality brands to ensure 2 to 4 years of life. Avoid cheap aftermarket options that might cause signal problems. If you notice corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol to prevent malfunctions. If your key fob still doesn't work after installing a new battery, you'll need to reprogram it. Access the vehicle's onboard menu by inserting the key and turning it to the on position. Press and hold the lock button on the fob for 10 seconds, then repeat for other buttons. Check your manual or visit a dealer if problems persist. Only about 2% of battery replacements require this step. Looking ahead, key fobs are being replaced by smartphone apps and biometric systems. By 2030, experts predict 70% of new vehicles will use digital keys or fingerprint sensors instead of physical fobs. The Chevrolet Cruze models from 2016-2019 were early adopters of RF-based entry, but future trends include rechargeable batteries and fobs powered by kinetic energy. This battery replacement is an extremely easy DIY task, rated just 1 out of 10 in difficulty by automotive experts. You'll save 60 to 80% compared to dealer fees, which can cost $50 to $100. Most owners complete the swap in under 10 minutes, with an 85% success rate without needing professional help.